Now, Pinpoint Weather, brought to you by the White Glove guys at ASI Hastings Heating, Air and Solar.
All right, Pat's already mentioned the fog, one of many changes coming up this week.
We do. It's going to get colder. We've got a big storm coming, but the immediate concern is this fog. We have a dense fog advisory for the inland valleys. Now, the reason that the dense fog advisory for the coast was canceled is just in the past couple of hours, we've had a coastal eddy spring up, and that has lifted the bases of the clouds enough to prohibit any widespread development of dense fog. So it's only here in the inland valleys where it looks like we could have some fog forming, and we're already seeing it at Montgomery Field and Brownfield and Miramar. So you can see temperatures, though, are not too cold. So the dew point and the temperatures are getting close together. The air is getting saturated, and that's why we have fog forming. Ramona and Alpine at 47 degrees, Del Mar at 50, 54 along the coast in the northern part of our county. Now here you can easily see the storm that we're watching. This is a really cold storm. It's going to be moving toward the west coast and then sliding down toward San Diego later this week, probably Thursday night into Friday. It's going to bring us a lot of rain, even some mountain snow down to 4,000 feet, and gusty winds as that front, you can even make out the front right there, as that approaches and sweeps across the region starting Thursday night. And it will be cold for the next 3 days along the coast. We should average around 60, and then look at how the temperature just plummets on Friday as that system gets closer. In the inland valleys, same thing. We'll go from a beautiful 65 tomorrow and some nice sunshine in the afternoon all the way down to 63 by Friday. That will be the real stormy day, although the storm could last into Saturday as well. Now temperatures tomorrow will be pretty nice, a little bit cooler than today. Inland valleys will be mostly in the 60s. We'll see some upper 50s in Solana Beach and Del Mar, and sunshine after morning clouds in the inland valleys. But here along the coast, it's going to be mostly cloudy most of the day as that storm approaches, and that marine layer is pretty pervasive. So for the next 7 days, this is what we're looking at. Along the coast, morning fog again until 9 o'clock tomorrow. So your morning commute could be affected in the inland valleys. And then we're going to repeat that pattern again on Wednesday morning. Clouds will be building even here in the inland valleys. As you can see, we'll have some sunshine tomorrow, but then by Wednesday, Thursday, and definitely by Friday, lots of clouds, and then that cold rain coming in, a high of only 53 on Friday, and then Saturday it's going to be cold at night as well. This picture I had to show you, we had fog a little bit earlier, taken by our viewer Jim Grant, and I just thought the colors, and you can see just a thin layer of clouds right there. When clouds are on the ground, that's what fog is. And Jim took this picture out from Point Loma, looking back toward the city, and then of course the mountains in the East County. But oh, such a pretty shot.
Beautiful shot.
Incredible.
I know.
Wow. Thank you for sharing it.